Alright friends, we have the HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 printer. It has been delivered by Flipkart today and it is packed, as you can see. Let me just move it. See, it is packed and sealed. I'm going to open this seal today and I'm going to show the installation in the next video maybe. But for today, it is just the unboxing of the HP 2135. Okay, let's see what we are getting in the box. We are getting a black ink cartridge, a color ink cartridge, a power cord, a USB cable, a CD and a manual. Well, we're getting one black ink and one color ink for free, and we're also getting a USB cable CD. You can install it in Windows 10 even. I've tested it before in my friend's computer, so it is working quite well. And the previous Windows versions are also supported by HP Ink Advantage 2135. And this is a multi-purpose printer. This can copy, print and even scan your documents. And this costs me around 4,500 for now, because I did not get the Flipkart offers that are running. Okay, before I start unboxing, please note that this is using a black and a colored ink cartridge of 680 version, and HP claims that there is a quality printing up to 480 pages with HP's low priced ink cartridges, which is quite a cost-cutting printing nowadays for Deskjet printers which are available in the market right now. And HP is well known for pocket-friendly printers, and this is one of them. So let's unbox this. Okay, so let's unwrap the box. And what do we have here? We have the installation guide. Firstly, how to install the printer and everything regarding installation, and as you can see, how to install the cartridges and how to set up the printer and everything, as you can see here. Okay, this is the first thing that came out of the box. Now the second thing is the manual. See, this is the manual, and okay, this is some information about the printer. Now comes the software CD, and as you can see, it is written here Windows XP Vista 32-bit 7, 8, 8.1, 10 version 40.10. Okay, so let's keep the CD aside and see what else we get in the box. This is the black cartridge, the 680 version. As you can see, HP 680. This is the black cartridge, and this I guess is the color cartridge, obviously. The tri-color cartridge, HP 680. And this is the power cable, the power cord that goes inside the printer. This is the USB cable which goes in the computer connected with the printer. And this is the ink caution. This is a safety caution for the ink cartridges. Next we have is the printer itself. Inside the box, let's take it out. Well, this is the printer itself out of the box with this protective foams, and this is, I must say, is a very lightweight printer, not that heavyweight, and this has a nice plastic coat over it which needs to be torn off. So I'll pause the video for now. Let me tear it off and get it ready to show. Alright guys, I have taken off the plastic, and as you can see, these are the options in the printer. This is the print cancel option, this is the scan option, this is for black copy and print, this is for color copy and print, and this is to power on the printer, and this is, I guess, is the black and color ink indicators. And here we have the paper tray. Let's take off this plastic. We have more plastics inside. Okay, this is where you set the paper inside, and this only supports the A4 size print papers, not larger than that. If you are using any larger papers than this might not be the good choice for you. This only supports the A4 size printer or paper, sorry. And this is the paper stand where you set the paper, and the paper goes in from this and comes out from this. Okay, now let's check the inside of a printer. This is the cartridge tray, as you can see. When you open this, when it is powered on, the cartridge comes automatically in the middle, and you can set the cartridges from here. And let's check out the ports. There is a USB connecting port for the printer which gets connected to the laptop or your PC, and there is a power port here which goes in the power socket. So there is nothing more to show here. In the next video, I'm going to connect this printer, and I'm going to show how to connect and how to print from this printer. Let's see you all in the next video.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.